What's up, y'all? It's your man Bobby Wash, and producer, singer, songwriter. This is my Bobby Wash and vlog channel. Please go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell. We're gonna go ahead and take a blood test at home to find out my blood type. I'm using the Eldon blood typing kit I got for $13 at Amazon. I will have the link below in the video description, but I'm gonna show you how to use it. So first you want to do is you want to open it by this slit right here. Just open it up. So you should have all of these inside of your package. All these things. So you're gonna separate these four things first. The Eldon card is inside this package. You want to open it up. You want to write your personal data on this card. As you can see inside the card, you have the green, red, yellow, and blue. You're going to fill out the information below it. So I wrote all my information right there. Take the pipette, and you want to go ahead and put some water. Fill the whole thing up with water here. Once it's filled up, you want to put a drop of water on each of the green top of the bubbles. One. Don't mix the colors together. Two. Three. Four. So I put water on all of them. Off this yellow tip, you get two of them. I take it off. You're going to press the needle to your finger after you wipe it off with alcohol. Got a wipe alcohol swipe here. So I took each one of those little white sticks and I pressed it against the blood on my finger and I put it in each circle. One. Be careful not to let them touch. Let it touch the water that was inside of each color. So according to this chart, I'm A positive because it shows blood, then it shows smudge, blood, and then smudge. And here's the chart you're gonna follow here. Mine is right here. Mine is A positive. Right there. See that blood, smudge, blood, smudge. The smudge is like orange, all orange. Blood is the ones like every other. So A positive is what I am. These three hats have three different meanings. I'm gonna break them down hat by hat. This hat represents me, the family man, husband and father. This hat represents me, the musician, producer, singer, songwriter, street promoter. This hat represents me as a filmmaker, feature films, and vlogging. These hats also represent where I'm from, Miami. The cliche, you're a jack of all trades, but somehow I managed to master all three. I'm Bobby Washington, and these are my vlogs.